Space, the final frontier. Today we'll uncover 25 mind-blowing facts about space that will leave you in awe. Our Sun, a blazing sphere of plasma, holds 99.86% of all the mass in our solar system. Everything else combined makes up a mere 0.14%. The Sun's gravitational pull dictates the ballet of celestial objects around it. We often picture Earth as a perfect sphere, a flawless blue marble floating in the vastness of space, but in reality, it's actually an oblate spheroid. This means that Earth is not perfectly round. It bulges slightly at the equator and is flatter at the poles due to centrifugal force. This force is generated by Earth's rotation. It's like spinning a ball of dough. The faster it spins, the more it flattens out. This analogy helps us understand how rotation affects shape. This equatorial bulge is relatively small but significant. It serves as a reminder of Earth's dynamic nature and its cosmic journey through space. Mars, the red planet, holds Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano and mountain in our solar system. Imagine a volcano 3 times the height of Mount Everest, covering the entire state of Arizona. Formed by ancient volcanic eruptions, its summit caldera could hold several cities. To stand on Olympus Mons would be a humbling experience. Saturn's rings, a celestial ballet of ice and rock, are surprisingly thin. If you could stand on the edge, they would tower above you like a giant celestial bridge. The rings are only about 30 feet thick on average. It's remarkable that something so vast could be so delicate. Venus, our nearest planetary neighbor, is the hottest planet with surface temperatures reaching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Its dense atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, traps heat. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect, turning Venus into a scorching hellscape. It's not just its proximity to the Sun that makes it so hot. On Venus, a single rotation takes 243 Earth days. This slow rotation is one of the most fascinating aspects of our neighboring planet. While it orbits the Sun in 225 Earth days, this means that Venus completes its orbit around the Sun faster than it completes one full rotation on its axis. This means a day on Venus is longer than a year. Imagine experiencing a single day that stretches out longer than an entire year on Earth. The Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. This unusual phenomenon is due to Venus's retrograde rotation, which is opposite to most planets in our solar system. It's a reminder that our experience of time is just one of many possibilities. The universe is full of diverse and intriguing ways that time can be experienced. Our moon, a constant companion, is slowly drifting away from Earth at about 3.8 centimeters per year. Over millions of years, this drift adds up. Don't worry, the moon isn't going anywhere soon. It will continue to grace our skies for billions of years. This slow farewell is a reminder of the cosmos's constant change. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a mesmerizing world of swirling storms and turbulent weather patterns. Its atmosphere is a chaotic mix of gases, creating a dynamic and ever-changing environment. The Great Red Spot, a colossal anticyclone, has been raging for over 350 years. This massive storm is so large that it could easily engulf our entire planet. Imagine a storm twice the size of Earth with winds exceeding 400 miles per hour. The sheer scale and intensity of this storm are beyond anything we experience on Earth. Scientists are still unraveling its mysteries, using advanced spacecraft and telescopes to study its complex atmosphere and weather patterns. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding this giant planet. Jupiter's storms are a testament to the extreme weather conditions that can exist on other planets, showcasing the incredible diversity and power of our solar system's celestial bodies. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is vast, but IC 1101 is even larger. It spans 6 million light-years across, dwarfing the largest galaxies in our local group. This colossal structure contains trillions of stars. It's a testament to the incredible scale of the universe. The Boomerang Nebula, located about 5,000 light-years away, is the coldest spot we've found. It has a temperature of just 1 degree Kelvin, or minus 457.6 degrees Fahrenheit. This nebula is a cloud of gas and dust ejected from a dying star. It's colder than the faint afterglow of the Big Bang itself. Neutron stars, the collapsed cores of massive stars, are some of the densest objects in the universe. Imagine a teaspoon of neutron star material weighing as much as Mount Everest. It's as if you took all the people on Earth and squeezed them into a sugar cube. Rogue planets, celestial nomads, wander the galaxy alone, not bound to any star. Ejected from their star systems, they drift through the interstellar void. There could be billions, even trillions of these rogue planets in our galaxy. It's a haunting thought, these dark worlds drifting through the cosmos. Astronauts report that space has a unique aroma. Some describe it as metallic, like welding fumes, while others liken it to seared steak. This aroma is caused by a combination of factors, including remnants of dying stars and rocket exhaust. The cosmic microwave background is a faint glow of radiation from the earliest moments of the universe. As the universe expanded and cooled, this radiation stretched and cooled as well. Studying it allows scientists to probe the conditions of the early universe. Black holes, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, are formed when massive stars collapse. The event horizon is the point of no return. Anything that crosses this boundary is forever trapped. Pulsars, highly magnetized rotating neutron stars, emit beams of electromagnetic radiation from their poles. These beams sweep across space as the pulsar spins. If Earth is in the path, we detect a pulse of radiation. Dark matter makes up 85% of the universe's total mass and energy. We know it exists because of its gravitational effects on visible matter. It's like an invisible hand shaping the structure of galaxies. Astronomers have discovered a massive cloud of water vapor in space 140 trillion times the volume of all Earth's oceans. This reservoir surrounds a supermassive black hole called a quasar. Our Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. This cosmic collision will happen in about 4.5 billion years. It will be a spectacular event, as the two galaxies merge and reshape each other. Eventually they will form a single, giant, elliptical galaxy. Our galaxy is teeming with exoplanets, planets that orbit stars beyond our solar system. To date, astronomers have confirmed over 5,000 exoplanets. Each new discovery brings us closer to finding life beyond our planet. Space debris poses a growing threat to operational satellites and future space missions. There are currently over 27,000 pieces of space debris larger than a softball being tracked. Millions more smaller pieces are too small to track. Our sun is currently in its main sequence, fusing hydrogen into helium. This phase will continue for another 5 billion years. Eventually, the sun will expand into a red giant star engulfing the inner planets. The Parker Solar Probe, launched in 2018, is on a mission to touch the sun. It has achieved the record for the fastest human-made object, reaching speeds of over 430,000 miles per hour. That's fast enough to travel from Philadelphia to New York City in less than a second. Earth is enveloped in a giant magnetic field called the magnetosphere. This shield protects us from the constant bombardment of charged particles from the sun. Without it, Earth's atmosphere would be stripped away, leaving our planet barren. The universe is constantly expanding, with galaxies moving away from each other. This expansion was first observed by Edwin Hubble in the 1920s. It has profound implications for our understanding of the universe's origin and future. The universe's expansion implies it had a beginning, known as the Big Bang. The universe is full of wonders, from the tiniest particles to colossal galaxies. Which fact surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Stay curious and keep exploring the universe.